Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make baked beef kofta kebabs.
My baked beef kofta kebabs is paired with a creamy yogurt sauce and it's packed with fresh flavors. And all I do is place it in the oven to bake and it comes out so juicy, tender, and delicious. So let's get started. To get started with our kofta kebabs, I'm going to grate half an onion. And this is going to give it some flavor and also some moisture. Okay, so I successfully did that without crying. So in a bowl here, I have 1.5 pounds of beef, and I'm gonna go ahead and add our grated onion. I'll just use my hands. And then to that, I'm gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of cumin, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, and 1 3/4 teaspoons of salt and 3/4 of a teaspoon of pepper. And last but not least, 1/3 cup of minced parsley, fresh parsley. The flat leaf one, not the curly stuff. And using my hands, I'm going to mix everything until it's well combined. And to keep our kebabs nice and tender, we don't want to overmix the beef because it can come out a little on the denser side. So I want to keep everything light and fluffy. Now I'm going to form our beef kebabs. And I know I'm not using any wooden skewers, but I'm still calling these kebabs. And what you want to do using your hands, take about a handful and you want to make the shape of like a mini sausage, just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and place it onto my baking sheet. So I have enough beef to make about a dozen kofta kebabs. So just as easy as that. Take a handful and roll them up. Okay, so I'm all through rolling up our beef kofta kebabs, and what I love about this recipe is I don't have to fire up the grill. I am going to place it in the oven. I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees. I'm gonna bake these until these are nice and cooked through. That will take about 20 minutes. All right, meet me over at the stove. While the beef kofta kebabs are baking, I'm going to get started on our simple yogurt sauce. And this is really fresh tasting, it's packed with protein, and it's really gonna complement our beef kebabs. So first things first, I need 1 cup of Greek yogurt, full fat Greek yogurt, and I'm using 2 containers of faye. This, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I think it's called faye. But so 2 small containers, which is about 5.3 ounces. So it'll be a little bit over a cup, but that's fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it into a small mixing bowl. One time I didn't have Greek yogurt and I subbed for sour cream and it was still delicious. So if you're not a fan of Greek yogurt, you can go ahead and use sour cream, but the Greek yogurt is delicious and it's packed with protein. And yes, you want to make sure it's full fat. This one is 5% milk fat. So to our mixture, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 finely minced garlic clove. And we only need 1 garlic clove because a fresh garlic is a lot stronger than cooked garlic. And also, can't forget we have to season it up. I'm going to go ahead and season it with some salt and pepper. And it's as simple as that. And if you wanted to make a tzatziki sauce, you would use this as your base and add in some shredded cucumber and some chopped dill. But I'm just going to keep a simple yogurt sauce for our meal today. My kids also really love this sauce. They love to dip pita bread in it. Perfect. When it comes to the beef kofta kebabs, my hubby likes to have it with this cucumber tomato salad. This is totally optional. It's very fresh tasting and it is a great accompaniment. and I'm gonna show you guys how I make mine. So here I have one cucumber that I peeled and I removed the seeds. All I do is take a spoon and slide it down and it removes all the seeds. And I did the same thing with 2 Roma tomatoes. I cut them in half, took a spoon and removed the seeds. So I'm gonna go ahead and finely dice them up. I am all through dicing up my cucumbers and tomatoes, and I'm gonna place them into a mixing bowl, and I'm going to get started on the dressing. Whoops. If I could get this all in here. Okay, so this is gonna be very simple, no measuring here. I'm gonna drizzle it with some red wine vinegar, and this is all to taste. And then some extra virgin olive oil. Very fresh tasting. Whoops. Okay, I'm a mess today. And then I'm gonna season it with some salt and pepper. So some freshly ground pepper and some salt. And I'm just gonna mix this up. This is ready to serve, but the longer it sits, if you want to set this in your fridge for a little bit, the longer it's going to absorb those flavors. All right, let's give it a taste. Perfect. Our beef kofta kebabs are all through baking. They are looking incredible. And sorry guys, I had complete mommy brain. I said I made a total of 12 and I actually have 9. I don't know, I think I was counting in 3 or 4s instead of 3s, so I have 9 total. Sorry, I am far from perfect. And like I said, progress, not perfection, right? Anyways, I am human, so please forgive me. I also like to serve the kebabs up with some basmati rice that I cooked in some chicken broth. I know there's a lot of elements here, but trust me, everything is gonna be so delicious together. So, with the basmati rice, I'm gonna add the tomato cucumber salad. And it's just a pretty dish. This is something that you would want to serve if you're having company. Instead of ordering takeout, just make this and your friends or family would love this. So I'm going in with the creamy yogurt sauce. And last but not least, the beef kebabs. Let's go for this one. Oh, this is looking so beautiful, you guys.
And here's a little close-up of the final product.
Hi guys!
So Bradley has joined me for the taste test. He loves the basmati rice, and we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. All right, moment of truth. The beef is nice and tender. I dipped it in this creamy yogurt sauce.
Can I add the cream?
Yeah, go ahead. A little bit of, dip it, dip yours in there. All right, ready? Cheers!
Yes.
Wow. I don't know if I have any yogurt sauce on my lips, but this is incredibly tasty, better than the restaurant. So fresh, it's healthy, your family is gonna love it. Make it for them tonight. It's so delicious, I promise. Please see, you like the sauce? And dip some pita bread in there. You have a little yogurt. Yeah, you got it.
Subscribe, everyone.
You heard Bradley. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.
Yeah. See you in the next one.
See you in the next one.